Hi, it's Miss Worth. We are practicing some breathing today from Conscious Discipline. We can use this in many of these different stages of our self-regulation calming process. So we had I am, and if you had I am, then you came to the safe place. Now we are in I calm. So let's talk about the different types of breathing. First, you have STAR, where we can smile, take a breath, and relax. So let's practice that. Ready? Smile, take a breath, and relax. Your turn. Smile, take a breath, and relax. Make sure to be breathing from your tummy. You don't want your shoulders to move up. So let's try again. Ready? Smile, take a breath, and relax. So what else can we do? We already tried STAR. Let's see if we can do balloon next. Put your hands on top of your head, and we're going to breathe in again through our nose. Ready? And relax. Let's try it again. And last time. Ready? Our next breathing is the drain. You're going to put your arms out in front of you with really tight fists. Make them as tight as you can. We're going to breathe in when we do that. Make sure to relax when you let out your water. Let's try it again. Last time. What if we want to do a different one? Let's look at our next one. Our next one is pretzel. This one can be a little bit hard to learn, but we can do it. You're going to want to stand up for that one. Put your arms out in front of you with your thumbs up. Turn your thumbs upside down so they're facing the floor. Move one hand over the other one, and then put your fingers together. Then you're going to twist your arms in and let them back out. Since you're standing, I want you to cross your legs too. And then you're going to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth like this. All right, let's try it. We're going to do our pretzel. Put our hands out in front of us, flip them over, put one, and then you breathe in. Next time. And last one. Great job practicing all of those conscious discipline breathing techniques.